Gavana mar kaunti ma Garissa Nadhif Jama okoni gisebedo ka giwito omenda mathoth ma ichulo jotich ma Nyawawa kod jotich ma ok ochopo dwaro mar chike kaunti no. Kaluwore kod lipod nonro ewi buge mayango kwan mag jotich e kaunti ma Garissa, ofwenyore ni ji 180 ne ondiki kaka jolup directors to gionge kod rang'iny mag somo ma chik dwaro. Nonro no kaluwore kod Gavana Jama bende oyango ni kaunti no ondiko derepe 100 ka kwan mag geche mag kaunti ni godo gin mana 12 kende. Jama koro chuga put mabiro timo nonro mong'ith ewi jotich kod kaka osebed ka ichulo jotich mag kaunti ma Garissa.
We found over 180 people employed as directors, assistant, deputy director and assistant directors. Only 44 of them hold the appropriate requirements in terms of documentation, such as requirement for degrees. The other 136 persons in the name of directors, deputy directors and assistant directors do not hold degrees, and that's a requirement in law. We found about close to 100 people employed as drivers, and we only have about, say, 11 or 12 or so vehicles on the streets or up and running. Much more interesting was the fact that we found 3,500 or close to 3,500 people employed, or rather not employed, but rather recorded to earn salaries, both in the IBPD and in Excel. 3,500 of them, or close to that, without having passed any due process regarding employment. The exercises that we are doing to clean up the payroll system is not yet over. This is only phase 1. We have phase 2, which is coming. Phase 2 is a head count. We also want to call everybody back to the county to see who works for this county, because the stories we're hearing is very, very disturbing.